Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs. It's Tutorial Tuesday and I'm back with another sewing project. Today we're making this Scrappy jar opener. This gripper makes it easy to open those jars, lids, or bottles in the kitchen. It's a cute project that goes together super fast and it's great for beginners too. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com to get the newest project ideas. And check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a written version of this project with the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, and color photos. It's also where you'll find my full collection of digital sewing and crafting patterns that you can download and print at home, making it easy to get started on your next sewing project right away. I've added links in the description below this video. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project you'll need fabric strips and a backing fabric, rubber shelf liner, a Teflon sewing machine foot or painter's tape, and if desired, the optional template. First, place the backing fabric with the wrong side of the fabric facing up. Place the fabric strip diagonally on top with the right side of the fabric facing up. Don't have a long enough strip? Just stitch your scraps together to make a longer one. Place another strip on top with the right side of the fabric facing down. Align the raw edges on the long side of the strips and pin it in place. Stitch along the long edge using a 1/4-inch seam allowance. And press it open. Place another strip on top of the last strip with the right sides facing each other. Pin it in place and stitch along the edge using a 1/4-inch seam allowance. Press it open and continue adding fabric strips until you get to the corner of the backing piece. Turn the piece around and repeat the steps on the other side of the backing piece. Flip the piece over and trim the square to 7 inches by 7 inches. Center the rubber shelf liner on top of the quilted side of the fabric. Use fabric clips to hold it all in place. And then use some pins to secure the rubber shelf liner to the middle section of the fabric to reduce shifting while you're stitching. Place the Teflon sewing machine foot on your machine. If you don't have a Teflon foot, put painter's tape on the bottom of the foot so the rubber grip feeds through easier. With the rubber shelf liner facing up, stitch all around the piece using a 1/4-inch seam allowance. Leave a space open on the side for turning. Turn the piece right side out and finger press the opening under. Don't use your iron or you'll melt your shelf liner. Now with the rubber shelf liner facing up, top stitch all around the square 1/8 of an inch from the edges. Take extra care at the opening to make sure it stays folded under, and make sure your needle's in the down position when you're pivoting at the corners. And just like that, just that fast, you've used up some fabric scraps and made a handy new gadget for your kitchen for those stubborn lids. If you'd like to see more quick and easy sewing projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.